Which Azure storage service is best suited for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as text or binary data? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure File Storage. C. Azure Queue Storage. D. Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is A. Azure Blob Storage. Azure Blob Storage is designed for storing large amounts of unstructured data, such as text or binary data. Azure File Storage is more suited for file shares, Azure Queue Storage is for message queuing, and Azure Table Storage is for structured NoSQL data. You need to implement a messaging solution that allows asynchronous communication between application components. Which Azure storage service should you use? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure File Storage. C. Azure Queue Storage. D. Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is C. Azure Queue Storage. Azure Queue Storage is designed for storing large numbers of messages that can be accessed from anywhere via authenticated calls. It is ideal for asynchronous communication between application components. Azure Blob Storage, File Storage, and Table Storage do not provide this functionality. Which Azure storage service would you choose for a NoSQL key value store with a schemaless design? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure File Storage. C. Azure Queue Storage. D. Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is D. Azure Table Storage. Azure Table Storage is a NoSQL key-value store that allows for a schemaless design, making it ideal for applications that require flexible data models. Blob storage, file storage, and queue storage are not designed for this purpose. A company needs a fully managed file share that can be accessed via the SMB protocol. Which Azure storage service should they use? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure File Storage. C. Azure Queue Storage. D. Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is B. Azure File Storage. Azure File Storage provides fully managed file shares in the cloud that are accessible via the SMB protocol. Blob storage, queue storage, and table storage do not offer this capability. Which Azure storage service is optimized for storing massive amounts of data that is infrequently accessed and requires low-cost storage? A. Azure Blob Storage. B. Azure File Storage. C. Azure Queue Storage. D. Azure Table Storage. The correct answer is A. Azure Blob Storage Cool Tier. Azure Blob Storage offers different access tiers, including the Cool tier, which is optimized for data that is infrequently accessed and requires low-cost storage. File storage, queue storage, and table storage do not provide this specific tiered storage option. You need to store and retrieve large files for a web application. Which Azure storage service should you choose? A. Azure Table Storage. B. Azure Queue Storage. C. Azure Blob Storage. D. Azure File Storage. The correct answer is C. Azure Blob Storage. Azure Blob Storage is ideal for storing and retrieving large files, such as those used in web applications. Table storage is for NoSQL data, queue storage is for message queuing, and file storage is for SMB file shares.